Welcome to ePointer tutorial. This tutorial is about how to cut a long part longer than the table for a laser, any laser, but this one is a model laser ALC 2415, which has 99 inches table, and the part is 189 inches. And also on the bottom, you can see this line is cutting through the dead zone of the clamps. So I'm going to show you both on how to reposition to cut this part and how to change the dead zone. In this case, 4 inches, I'm going to change it. I'm going to say machine setup. You go to machine properties and cutting over troubles, and I'm going to make it, let's try, 3/4 of an inch. Make sure that this value is according to the machine manufacturer, so you don't cut you don't cut or hit the clamps. Okay, there's got to be a real value. In this case, I'm going to pretend it's 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to click OK, and then OK, and close. And you can see now the dead zone is below the position of this line. This line is 787. Let's make it 0.6 or 0.7 inches. So it's above the half of an inch. Only 3/4. No, actually, I gotta make it 0.850 above or above 0.750. Let's make it. Let's put it right there. You can see. You zoom in. The line is above the dead zone. So I'm going to proceed. I'm going to say sequence. I'm going to assign the path. No, actually, I'm going to do it the outer path. And it's done. But if I try to add the sequence, the laser cutting, is not going to allow me because it's a long part. It's out of reach. The table is short. So I'm going to, the cutting path is there, but it just doesn't know how to cut it because it's too long. So here it is what we got to do, okay? What we got to do, we got to go to the part. Let me actually reset the cut, and I'm gonna go to the part, and here I'm gonna detach the path on the long lines, okay? And then I'm gonna go to edit and say geometry split, and these two options gotta be on right here and right here, and you put a gap in between the line because it's gonna split it in two lines, the long line. So whatever gap, in this case, more than 10 thousandths converted to millimeters, you work in millimeters. So I'm gonna make a really small gap used to split it. As I said, this one gotta be on, so it applies this when you split it. And actually, this one is to split it in two pieces, same size, which is plenty enough to allow it to cut it. And I'm gonna do so on both. And if we zoom in, it's right there. The gap is right there, okay? 10 thousandths gap. And to assign the cut, you can auto path or use click attach on this line and on this one, and it's done, okay? It has a starting point. You can turn them off. You can turn them off by saying edit, and you can edit it to you want to zero length and zero length at the end. Starting and end, you can make a zero, so there is no starting point and end point. But I'm going to leave it like it is. And what is next, I'm going to go to the sheet design, since let's see what it does. Okay, I'm going to reset, and I'm going to say sequence automatic by full parts. So always for lasers, use by full parts. And there we go. Now it's fully cut. Okay. Now you can generate your G code, and it's there. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time looking at this video. Any question, call Joe Torres 209-740-4682. Thank you.